What is 4D dimension? I will explain why 3D measurement, which is in science today, is wrong. And why is everything 4D? So that's the real object, and in science today we people thinking we can describe this object using 3 parameters like x, y and z. Like this. So we usually calling it like that. So as you can see, this system is not really comfortable to see. So let's draw some object here. So as you can see, we drawing this object from its corner, from this place. So that means that this object here in the reality I'm describing, starting from like this corner, here, here, and something like here. And in my feelings, I kinda having this object like this from this beginning of it. So the problem of 3-dimensional system is that for describing real volumed object, I will sooner or later use negative numbers to describe it. For example, if I will move this green box there, I will need to use negative numbers, which in science known as complex numbers. So this coordinate axis is only okay to see on a 2D plane, like on a paper. But our world is not a plain paper, it is volumed environment with objects, and the coordinate system here in real world is 4D and is something like this. I will show you now close. So, in simple words, it's the coordinate system or axis in real world is line which goes from here to deep, somewhere from it far away kinda, and another goes from here close to me kinda as well to somewhere deep. And this system is known as ABCD. In that system, I can easily describe objects that are having volume. Where this place is center of the object. So this object on the real coordinate system is from its center kinda like this, understood by reality. So that's pretty simple, that everything is calculated from center, and me understanding this way of describing things very comfortably. So if I am willing to rotate this object, it will look like that. Here is its center. So the importance in the coordinate system is that everything is using center of things. So X, Y, Z is something like this. And ABCD 4D coordinate system is volumed in our reality system, which having center 0 and 4 directions you can use to describe something. So rotation of object is comfortable. Everything is natural numbers. There is no negative calculations. So, and that system is not a cross, which it might look like. It is thing that goes so, one of it, and another goes so. And that two simple directions is describing everything here in reality. So I'm not using negative numbers here. I'm just using vector B, which is only natural numbers, vector A, and so on, to describe volumed object. So not being able to do so is a big problem in science today, that everything needs to be described using negative numbers, or not everything, in some situations. So people just didn't understood that I see the world from center of me, not from one eye where people made this idea of how objects are here